The news of Samsung cancelling the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra has been getting a lot of attention in the tech space. Samsung blamed it all on the global chip shortages situation. The real cause, however, I think is a combination of other factors, such as the S Pen support for S21 Ultra not getting enough attention, the Note and the S series being too similar, and Samsung having too many flagship phones in their lineup. In this video, I'll discuss these reasons in detail, and before we get started, be sure to subscribe and help me reach 400 subs by the end of June. Now first things first, I'm pretty sure that the global chip shortages situation had nothing to do with the Note 21 Ultra not releasing this year. I mean, think about it. Samsung, a company that releases tons of phones in a year, would never cancel their flagship phone due to chip shortages. If it came to that, there are plenty of other models Samsung would consider cancelling before axing the Note 21 series. Hence, I believe chip shortages had nothing to do with the Note 21 cancellation. The other reasons I mentioned, however, seem to play an important role. Samsung introduced the Note series as the most powerful Galaxy phone with the best specs, biggest battery size, a stylus, and other notable features. But the line between the Galaxy S and the Note series had been getting blurred. It seemed like the Note series was just a refinement of the S series with support for a stylus. Take the S20 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra for example. Both feature the same display, same cameras, almost the same specs, and the weird thing was the S20 Ultra featured a larger battery than the Note 20 Ultra. I think Samsung realized the fact that it was getting tougher and tougher to differentiate between the two series and hence took the decision to cancel the Note 21 Ultra. Samsung also made a bold move by giving the S21 Ultra the S Pen support. Since the Note and the S series were similar, Samsung thought by doing this the loyal Note users would make an instant switch to the S21 Ultra knowing that the Note 21 Ultra had been cancelled. The added cost for this, however, was an additional $89, already adding to the hefty $1,200 cost of the S21 Ultra. Not to mention the weird case that was needed to hold the S Pen. But as bold of a move as it was, the S21 Ultra didn't sell well. Forget the S Pen. This made Samsung realize that phasing out the Note series might not be as good of a move as expected. And the final reason is having too many flagship phones. Samsung has been long following their dual flagship release cycle, the S series in the first half and the Note series in the second half of the year. But with the foldable phones, the release schedule was getting crowded. For Samsung, foldable phones are the future, and as much as the Note series is considered to get the max potential out of a phone for a user, the foldables are 2 screens ahead of the Note series. Hence, Samsung took the decision of cancelling the Note series in favor of the foldables. This is also evident from a recent leak that points towards these upcoming foldable phones getting cheaper by a whopping 20%. And after all this drama, the Note series fans rejoiced when Sam Mobile reported that Samsung would not cancel the Note series and that next year we would be getting the Note 22 Ultra. Now, why did Samsung back off on their decision to cancel the Note series? I think Samsung realized that it's not as easy to cancel one of the most popular phones in their lineup. As much as the S series and the Note series are similar, Samsung can make some interesting changes to the Note series to get it more popular. But that's a discussion for another video. So be sure to subscribe for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.